Hey guys, I'm Dupree, and today I'm going to show you easy ways to improve your game in pool. And I say easy ways, but I don't really mean easy ways. Because getting better at anything, not just pool, anything is going to take practice. Just a little bit of practice helps you get that one step up. A lot of people will sit at home and be sitting on the couch and watching TV or reading a newspaper, reading something, reading Facebook, scrolling through Instagram, kind of pointless stuff. And then they go and they complain, oh, why am I not getting better? I'm like, because you're spending that time scrolling through Facebook, watching Judge Judy, instead of playing, when you could be playing. If you have a table in your house, you have no excuse. You really do not. I have no excuse for not getting better. If I get worse, something is seriously wrong with me. Because I am lucky enough and fortunate enough to have this great table in my house. And I can just come upstairs and play all day. Some of you don't have that. If you do, great, no excuses for you. No excuses for you. If you don't, still don't be like, oh, I don't have a table at my house. I can't do this like you can, and I'm not young like you. I work all day, and I don't have time for practice, and I don't want to practice. Well, if you don't want to practice, then this honestly is not the game for you, because this is one of the hardest games there is, and the one that requires the most practice, in my opinion. You can work on shooting basketball over and over again. You're going to come across the same shot multiple times. Pool, not so much. Always going to be a slight difference. So the way you get better first is finding your mistakes. So what I always do is I just start with my shot making mistakes. I'll throw some balls out there. You don't have to run them in order. Don't take the easy shots. Don't take this forward ball straight into that side pocket. Unless you know you have trouble with that, you want to take the hard shots. Like, I'm not going to shoot that straight in 7. I want to shoot this. That's a bit too hard for my liking, because that is about a 50-50 shot jacked up over that. But that shot's a bit difficult. We're not really playing position here, we're playing kind of position. But this shot right here, we're not shooting that 6 ball, we're shooting this 7. And shoot at various speeds until you miss. Then after you miss, you set that same shot up again. And this is how you can tell if this is one of your problems. You use the same spin. If you make it, you shoot it again. We're trying to eliminate lucky makes. If you make it that time, great, shoot it one more time. Same spin, we're not worried about scratching. If you make it 3 times in a row after that miss, I don't classify that as a problem. If you miss any one of those 3 in a row, okay, so if you miss one of those 3 in a row, what you have to do is you have to take out every ball. Taking out everything. I have 9 balls on the table right now. Go start under the table because I usually play 9 ball. What you do is you set up that same shot, same English. We're not worried about scratching or anything. But what you have to do is you have to make that shot 25 times. Don't shoot it 25 times. Make it 25 times. It takes your mind 22 repetitions to get a habit down. And that's what you're going to have to do with pool shots. You got to get it down as a habit. of your body seeing the shot and being able to make it. So we're on 2 out of 3. That's not bad for having pocket reducers in. And pocket reducers, I have the link to these pocket reducers in the description of this video. Yeah, we're not worried about scratching, we're just worried about pocketing the ball. But this is really the best way to crack down on your problem shots. And then what do? After you make that 25 times, make sure you take this reducer back out. And I'm going to tell you why. You take this out because if you miss on a bigger pocket, you're definitely missing on the smaller pocket. So missing on the bigger pocket means you have the most problem with the shot. If I've explained that right, if that makes any sense to you guys. But we're going to set up same shot. One shot that, let's say you shoot that shot and you miss it. One problem with shooting that with a reducer is those green reducers do not allow anything to come in from this angle unless it is barely falling into the pocket, which can get very, very difficult. So if you miss that shot and you miss the 3 in a row, you take everything, you're just going to have to play it on this pocket. And I want you to be true to yourself when you're playing on this pocket. And what do I mean by that? Be true to yourself when you're practicing shots like this. If it wobbles into the pocket, it does not count. If it does a little dance into the pocket, it does not count. This may actually be a shot that I have a problem with. I'm trying to recreate a little dance into the pocket. But always looking down at that shot. Like that is okay. You'd make it 24 more times. And honestly, if it takes you forever to make it 25 times, you need to shoot it more. That's just the truth. If it takes you way too long to make it 25 times, you need to shoot it 35 times. Don't just go, I'm going to shoot it 20 and then I'll be fine. No, you won't. The same thing goes for bank shots. If you don't want to have any flaws in your pool game, you're going to have to shoot those bank shots. You miss that bank shot, you set it up, you can do your little 3 in a row. If you don't make it 3 times in a row, you got to make it 25 times. So then after that, I take all these balls and I shoot it 25 times with the pocket reducer in. If it's coming in at an angle like that, you're shooting it with the pocket reducer. If it's coming in at an angle where it's touching or really almost touching the rail, like a shot like this is the furthest in you can go with a pocket reducer and still be able to wobble that ball in. So if you have problems with those shots, it's going to be tough with the reducer. If possible, shoot it with the reducer. But if it is just flat out impossible with the reducer, and the way you test that is you take a ball, you put it to the side, you just shoot it straight down the cushion. If it can't go in like that at a soft speed, don't shoot it with the reducer. You're going to be there all day and not getting anything done. So again, this is just a never-ending cycle for me. And I don't think it will end, but it will get better. And that is the most important thing. We're not here, none of us are going to be perfect players. If you miss a shot like that, set it up. If you miss a shot that you don't think you should miss, and you also miss one of the 3 in the row shots, shoot that shot more than 25 times, please, for yourself. Do it for yourself. If you want to be better, this is genuinely the best way. Miss a shot like that, shoot it a ton. It gets your muscle memory down, which is the most important part of pool. And then you want to start shooting them at different speeds. And we're just worried about shot making now. The next step in this is to start playing position, and we'll get to that now. But that is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, please click the like button down below. If you want to be notified when I post a new video, you can click the subscribe button, then the bell icon right next to it. That'll just send you an email and a notification saying that I've uploaded a new video. Thank you guys so much for 63,000 subscribers, and I will see you in the next video.